Good morning all, it's a Saturday. Just going through a bunch of Maxwell's crappy wood with a capital C, El Crapo. Yeah, I just got done opening up a whole bundle. And the whole bundle was full of those right there. Whole bundle of just, yeah, whole bundle of just nothing but, a bunch of gray wood. I'm trying to, that's all Maxwell there I did 6 years ago. It's a #1 common. But yeah, the stuff today is just freaking, just 6 years ago. Yeah, it's crap. It's crap. You know? I don't know what board, that forklift took that out. But yeah, I'm disappointed, and yeah, things are maybe a little more elevated than normal, but there's a pile of stuff. I had to buy 5 bundles of Select and Better to make it look like a #1 common. So I've used 2 bundles of Select in here on a #1 common job. That's my bundle there, that's a #2. But that's everything I pulled out, you know, so just, I don't know. A lot of this here, a lot of spotty boards, a lot of that. It's going a real light golden oak, half nutmeg. That's what that is right there. So, but yeah, they're just sending a bunch of gray wood, you know, that there, that's a #2. And you know what, I understand that it's based on 1,000 square feet. I get that, 5% waste on 1,000 square feet, based on that, and that's totally fair. But when every bundle looks like junk, and I want to use a different word, but yeah, I can just look at it. You just look at it, it's just full of gray crap, you know. And the Select and Better wood, this is a Select and Better board here. There, that's a Select and Better board for you. You know, look at that one, Select and Better, huh? Yeah, molting or whatever's going on that. That's a Select and Better board. I don't know. Yeah. You know. So here we go. I don't know if cracks are allowed in Select and Better. I don't know about that. All the way through? No, if it went all the way through, it would be a #2. I think #1 you're allowed checking on top, but not all the way through. So here we go. I just popped. I don't know. Is that a #2 or a #1? You know? What's this guy? Oh, just a lot of half-colored boards. You know, it's, yeah. I don't know what to say. So, I'm gonna find another mill. I'm done, Maxwell. All this is coming out of your swamps down there. I get it. There's nothing else to cut on. All your private property's probably been cut through, and there ain't a whole lot of anything. But if you can't put it out, don't put it out. That's just how it is. You know, it's like me. I can't do every job out there, but I bid a lot and I can't do them all. You know, so I have to let it go. That's just how it is. You know? So, yeah, okay, here we go. This is like opening a deck of baseball cards or a pack of baseball cards. Here we go. Let's turn this one over. Nice long one. That's one thing I have seen here. There are not a ton of short ones. I'll give you that credit. I will give you that. They're long ones. I am trying to match an old floor. I get that. I planned on using a couple bundles of Select to pull out your 5% waste. And anyways, I added 15% to the job because of that. So let's see here. It's probably going to be a good bundle. That one's not too bad. It's gray. It's spotted all the way. It's spotted. So it's gray. So it won't even, when it stains, it can be crappy. Here's some wormwood. That one, yeah. There's a decent one. Ooh, I found gold. There's another one of those funky boards. It's gray all the way, and then at the end, it's got a little wood to it. Hey, there's a brother and sister board there. Anyways, so and that one's spotted as well. I don't know, spotted. It's gonna stain funny, you know. So there's another sapwood with red. You know, I got some of that in the old one. Not a lot. Not a lot. So, yeah. But I can see the wood I used. I installed this 6 years ago. So, you know, there's a couple. There's one there. There's one there. It's got red and sapwood, or heart and sap. You know, heart and sap. There's a few through here, but not every fucking board. Not every board. So this one, you know, I was able to do okay. And it started with the gray and red. So, yeah, look at that. We got more over here. So, anyways, yeah. Yeah. Number 2 common, if you ask me. I mean, every board is two-tone. It's crazy. It's gonna stain. It'll stain funky. Won't even match. You know? I don't know. I don't know. I'm frustrated to my wit's end. I don't know what else to say. I don't know what else to say, Maxwell, except clean it up a little bit. You know? Gosh. I hope this, I hope I get some likes on this and it goes viral. You know, maybe I'll get a bunch of guys that agree, you know. Call out my rep. Yeah, that does me a lot of good. That does me a lot of good. Call my rep out here. I'll say, what do you expect? You bought Maxwell. He'll even agree, you know. Oh, we'll refund you. Yeah, right. They'll go through it, you know. So, yeah, you're way over your 5%, Maxwell. And then what you are allowing through is, it's funky. Funky tuna, man. What else? Frustrated, you know. Spending my money to make sure this Ford turns out okay. You know, I think I said this a long time ago. I sent the regional rep an email. I was going to put this stuff in Tommy Maxwell's front yard when he was running it. Maybe his sons are running it now. I don't know. And my rep from Gallagher called me and said, "Hey, John, what'd you do? I got a text from this guy from Gallagher. From Maxwell. You know." Anyways, that's the only response I ever got. But I was going to just drive all the way to Missouri, Monticello, put this stuff in their front yard or wherever they're at. I don't know. But it's pretty crappy. Pretty crappy. You know, I don't know. I'm surprised. Tommy was on the National Oak Flooring Manufacturer, whatever board. I think he was a president for a while. So I'm surprised that they put this out. I really am. You know, there are standards and grades. But when you got to get down to the nitty-picky or whatever, nitty-gritty or whatever, yeah. You know, if I put this floor down all number 1, I bet you it would rate a number 2 common. I do. I bet you it'd rate a number 2 common. So I'm definitely ranting. I'm upset. I'll have enough to do this, but I had to add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got like 6 bundles of Maxwell Select and Better, which is a number 1 common. Clean number 1 common. But yeah, I'll have nothing but just crap. Like I said, if you don't have it, don't put it out. Don't put it out, you know. My whole floor would look just like that. Red, gray, red, gray, red, gray. I don't know about that. I don't know how that falls in the grading. But yeah. And if I put everything down, I think the floor would be way darker. Anyways, a lot of gray wood. A lot of gray wood. Not a lot of shorts. I had where the whole bundle's been shorts. So they definitely got the long wood, but you know, I'd much rather use shorter wood if it looked cleaner. Anyways, just a lot of boards. Half gray, half brown, half red. Yeah. So anyways, that's where we're at. That's my Saturday. Thanks for letting me rant. If you don't have it, Maxwell, don't put it out. As far as I'm concerned, that's all number 2 common right there. Yeah. So I'm afraid to open up all those. They're just the gray, 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 gray. You know, here's a board. There's a decent one. There we go. There we go. I got one. Ooh, it's like finding gold. Like finding gold. You know? Anyways. Gotta go.